wanna go to heaven and pick a never fading flower from the mountain overlooking the temple of my God. I wanna go to heaven where all is light and glory. How I long to be with Jesus, how I long to be with God. Sometimes I think that I could stay here no longer. I feel very lonely here, for I've seen a better land. Oh, that I had wings like a dove, then would I fly away and be at rest. I wanna go to heaven, I wanna hear the voice of Jesus. You have washed your robes in my blood, stirred stiffly for my truth. And when I get to heaven, I'll cast my crown at Jesus' feet. I wanna praise His name forever. He has done so much for me. Sometimes I think that I can stay here no longer. I feel very lonely here, for I've seen a better land. Oh, that I had wings like a dove, then would I fly away and be at rest. I wanna go to heaven, I wanna hear the voice of Jesus. I will gird myself and serve you, for you suffered much for me. And when I get to heaven, I wanna sit at Jesus' table, or to eat the fruit of that land, go back to earth no more. Sometimes I think that I can stay here no longer. I feel very lonely here, for I've seen a better land. Oh, that I had wings like a dove, then would I fly away and be at rest. Oh, that I had wings like a dove, then would I fly away